Begin by cleansing the natural nail with a nail wipe saturated with after wipe. Then apply 2 to 4 coats of bondage to the natural nail, avoiding skin contact. Next, with a pillowing technique, apply first and last to the nail. Freeze for 20 seconds. Apply your form, ensuring straight placement out from the growth channels. And using vanilla, creating a skeleton for your extension. This will be a thin layer of gel for you to build your color on top of, rather than a slightly thicker extension that you would just put a clear over top of. Freeze for 20 seconds. Taking your color of choice and using a synthetic brush to apply, option to remove the form now and apply the color to the extension. Wiping your smile line and adding any color where you see fit. Cure for 1 minute in LED or 2 minutes in UV. Taking Build and applying a clear smile line across the support bridge. This adds strength for the natural nail. Next, blending flexure from the build to the end of the extension. This creates strength for the extension of the new nail. And last, using flex to blend the rest of the nail, using your overhead light to assess the line of shine, and using a tuck and pull motion to fill in any dips or low spots in the application. If you have not done so already, remove the form and cure for 2 minutes. Cleanse the dispersion layer with a nail wipe saturated in After Wipe, and continue your finish filing techniques as you normally would. Cleanse the nail again with a nail wipe saturated in After Wipe, and apply your final coat of First and Last. Cure for 2 minutes, and cleanse the nail with After Wipe, removing the dispersion layer.